Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we present you the most fascinating things from all over the world. We'll be discussing a few of the most enigmatic and unusual devices that are offered on Amazon with you in the video we're sharing with you today. You might have never heard of or seen these devices before because of how amazing they are. So let's get started and investigate these intriguing products. 11. Smart Sticky Note Printer. The Smart Sticky Note Printer is the first item on our list of gadgets. You can effortlessly put your notes and to-do lists any place you want by printing them on sticky notes using this device. It's an excellent tool for planning your thoughts and managing your everyday duties. 10. Wireless Earbuds Translator. Have you ever struggled to communicate with someone who speaks a foreign language? If so, you may benefit from using a wireless earbud translator. You can get around this obstacle with the use of the wireless earbud translator. Communication with anybody, anyplace is made simple by these earphones' real-time translation of over 30 languages. 9. Portable Blender. The portable blender is the next device we'll discuss. For individuals who are constantly on the go, this blender is ideal. Your favorite shakes or smoothies may be blended in a matter of seconds, and it's lightweight and portable for portability. 8. Smart Water Bottle. Water bottle with a smart chip. It's crucial to stay hydrated, and the water bottle with a smart chip makes it even simpler. This bottle monitors your water consumption and notifies you when you need to hydrate more. Everyone who wishes to maintain good health and hydration throughout the day should use it. 7. Digital Measuring Tape. Anybody who works in construction or undertakes home improvement projects needs to have a digital measuring tape. Using this tool will increase the accuracy and efficiency of your job by allowing you to measure angles and distances precisely. 6. Magnetic Levitation Globe. With the use of magnets, the magnetic levitation globe suspends a globe in midair, making it a fascinating and unusual device. Anyone who enjoys geography or wants to add a distinctive decoration to their house or office will benefit greatly from using it. 5. UVV Smartphone Sanitizer. Maintaining your phone's cleanliness and sanitization is more crucial than ever given the continuing pandemic. Use your phone without being concerned about germs thanks to the UV Smartphone Sanitizer, which uses UVC light to eliminate viruses and bacteria on your phone. 4. Wireless Charger Mouse Pad. A device that combines two necessary components into one is the wireless charging mouse pad, a wireless phone charger that also functions as a mouse pad. Anybody who wishes to clear their workspace out requires this excellent space-saving equipment. 3. Mini Projector. This device lets you display movies, pictures, and presentations on any flat surface. It is ideal for movie nights or professional presentations because it is lightweight and small, making it portable. 2. Bluetooth Key Finder. Have you ever misplaced your keys and wasted hours looking for them? If so, try the Bluetooth Key Finder. You can steer clear of this annoying circumstance with the aid of the Bluetooth Key Finder. It's a tiny gadget that you can track with your smartphone and connect to your keys. 1. Smart Notebook. The Smart Notebook is the last item on our list of gadgets. With the additional advantage of allowing you to scan your notes and save them digitally, this notebook gives you the same writing, drawing, and note-taking capabilities as a regular notebook. For anyone who wishes to keep organized and reduce paper clutter, this is a terrific tool. Conclusion. That concludes our list of 11 enigmatic Amazon gadgets that you have never seen. We hope this video was informative and helped you become more familiar with some cutting-edge goods that can improve your quality of life. Everyone can find something on this list, whether they're seeking for a technique to become more organized, increase their productivity, or just add a distinctive design to their house or office. If you're interested in learning more about these devices or buying them, don't forget to click on the links in the description box. Thank you for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing videos like this, as well as letting us know which device was your favorite and whether you've used any of them before. Please leave your thoughts below. We respect your opinion and always enjoy hearing from our viewers. We appreciate your interest and hope to see you in the upcoming video.